Hey, Sewtasticers, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Jay from Sewtastic. So what? I don't know, but I'm doing some sewing. I'll share with you guys what I'm working on. So if you want to know, come back for the next part of the video. And welcome to all my new subscribers. Hey y'all, what's up, what's up, what's up, what's up, what's up? I'm glad y'all here. Glad you decided to stop by, and I hope you stay so that if you like my content, y'all see the elephant in the room. I'm gonna share it with you, but you gotta come back for the second half, okay? All right. But if y'all like my content, don't forget to give it a like, okay? If I don't get no likes, then I know, okay, you was like on the. Anyway, let's get to the next part of this video. Okay, so you guys, I watched y'all over the weekend. Yes, I did. And y'all made me go back to Hobby Lobby. But first, I'm going to share with you what I'm working on, and I'm almost done. All I need to do is the pants, but I just want to do some little special things to the top because it's kind of bland for me, even though I love it, but it's kind of bland, and I want it to have a little bit of pizzazz to it. So let me show you it's the Vogue pattern, and it is the 1550, okay? We talking about this pattern because it's one of the patterns that you guys voted on, okay? So that's why we're talking about that pattern today. And y'all voted on it, and so I am in the process of sewing it. And I wanted to add, when you do your top stitching, I wanted to add some special thread. And if you can see it, it has a little bit of a glitter to it. So I want to add that as my top stitch. Yeah. So that's what I'm gonna do with that thread. So I brought some thread and I brought some more lace to go around the hem because if you notice around the edge here, I made this one. Okay, I'm making this one, should I say? And around the edge, you have a little bit that might show back here, so to speak. Okay, so I want to put a lace hem back there. So I did get some more lace hem because I ran out of. And the lace hem and every threads and stuff are 99 cents at Hobby Lobby. And y'all know I had to go into the drawer while I was there. So I did pick up some more patterns. I don't know if I'm done yet, but this is what I got. I went looking for pants, or wide leg jumpsuits. I don't think they're ever gonna go out of style. And if I don't want to wear them as pants, you can always add a duvet, I think, or I don't know what that thing is called. That you add that triangle piece. Y'all know what it is. Y'all sellers out there know what it is to make it into a dress. Okay, but here is McCall's 8288. I really like this pantsuit. I think it's very complimentary to my shape. So I want to try to make that. Let me see if I do it in a probably 18. Yeah, probably a 18. I'm looking at it. I'm gonna need some. Let me see. How much am I gonna need? Mm, about 4 or 5 yards of fabric, probably. About five. No, I don't need five. Yeah, I do. About five or three at the most. So I haven't decided what kind of fabric I want, but I do have some upstairs that I like. And the next I have is 8382. I like this dress. It's cute. I like the neckline on it. It is a little revealing in the center, but we can make that work. And I think I would do the short. I think I would do the short. Yeah, I think so. Okay. Yeah. I think that's what I'm gonna do, y'all. 8403, and this is another one that's a little bit revealing, but we can work that out. So we got long sleeves, short sleeves. Okay. I like the slits on the side and the slit in the waist. Like I mentioned a while back in one of my videos, I have a dress similar to this, and it was very complimentary to my shape. And I don't have like bulging side, I don't know what you want to call them, but I don't have them. So it was looking cute on me. And I got a lot of compliments when I wore it. So I think I have that pattern. I think I have two more or maybe three more dress patterns that are like that I brought from the 99-cent sale. Now I also want to make a blazer, you guys. I have 7818 here, and it could be um, men or women, and I don't know what tissue fitting method means. So if you guys know, let me know in the comments what that means. I'm gonna read up on it, but I don't really know what it means. But it's advanced plus. So I think I can do it. I've made a whole coat, so I think I can make a jacket. I think so. What y'all think? Y'all think I can make it? I think so. Here's another pattern. Like I mentioned before as well, No Me is on sale too for 99 cents. So don't forget that that's part of um the McCall sale. And they didn't have this in my size, but I think I can size a 20 down to like a 18 maybe. This is a cutie right here. It could be shorts or long. I like the long. I think that is too cute. And I think that I want to make my own belt as well to go with it. Mm-hmm. Okay. Um, McCall, I saw this on whose channel was this? I don't recall. But 7789. I like this too. Okay, I'll probably do it with the halter part up here. And I might do a little bralette. Ain't no different than wearing a tube top. But I love the wide leg pants. Y'all can see what I'm going for. Okay, I'm going for the wide leg dress look. All right, and the last one that I got is a coat dress, and it went up to a 16. I'm pretty sure. I think I can. I think I can get in. I think I can get in, y'all, because I have lost a couple of pounds. And yeah, the girl been doing some special stuff. Me and my daughter been doing a liquid diet for a week. Then we did the cabbage thing, and now we are on no carbs for this week. So, and it's working. It's working. So yeah, I'm happy about that. But this is the pattern I'm working on. The other pattern I forgot to bring it, but I'm gonna put a picture of it up here that actually won the subscriber pick. So it's a pair of pants that I'm making, and I did pick up some fabric from Hobby Lobby, and I don't know what I want to make the pants out of yet, but this is for something else. This is some gray knit material. I think I want to make me a different type of gray pullover shirt or something like that with that. And then I have some camo. I had some of this before and I made something different out of it, but I have an idea for this. I don't know exactly what I'm going to do with that yet, but it was on clearance for $3 a yard. So, and I think this was 4 or 5 yards. No, I think I got 4 yards of this, and the other one was a yard and a half. So do the math. This was also on clearance, and this is what I was thinking about. This was $3 as well. This is what I was thinking about using for the pants. So here's the pants up here. And that's one the subscriber picked outside of that other one. I started on that because I knew it would take me longer to probably do that. The pants is 4 pieces. I have them cut out already, and as soon as I make those other pants, I'm gonna be making these. So, uh, yeah. So this was also $3 a yard on clearance. Um, this some blue fabric that I really like, navy. And I don't know how well navy is on my skin. What y'all think? Y'all think navy works for me? Okay, I don't know what I'm gonna make with it, but Hobby Lobby also had some napkins placed on 49 cents. Okay, and I got is all that they had at 2 different Hobby Lobbies. So this is one set. Okay. So here they are. Okay. And they are, I'm thinking about adding them to that blue if I make, I don't know, or blue. I don't know. But this is the size of them. Okay. So I can turn this into a really pretty dress or skirt. Like a 3-tiered, maybe, something like that. And then they had some in grapefruit. They were 49¢. Don't sleep on it. All right. Because you can take these, sew them together, and cut you out the whole top, girl. And they had some that I wanted to save for the holidays for next year. Red, white, and blue. And then I had the paisley. I think this is what you call these, paisley. I have a bunch of the paisley ones as well. And they were 49¢ at Hobby Lobby. And I'm going to put them together and make something out of them. I don't know what, but I never sleep on things when I go. I always, I'm telling y'all now, always go to the clearance section in Hobby Lobby. You might just find some things that you need or that you may eventually need. Okay, so I'm not going to hold y'all long. That's all I had to share with y'all today. And probably later on this week, I will share with you guys the progress of um, the bow pattern, 1550, 1550. I'll share with you because I'm going to start working on the pants tonight. All I have to do to this part is hem it and top stitch it. So that's all I'm doing with that. I hope you enjoyed this video. Your girl got to get back to work and get some stuff done. I got to go stop by my mama house and drop off some perfume I ordered her. And yo, that's it for today. So I will see you in the next video and on a short. So thank you guys for watching my shorts. They popping. They popping. My shorts is popping. So yeah, y'all, we had 122, 23 subscribers right now. So let's keep it growing. Let's keep on watching the videos, watching the commercials, do whatever you got to do to get us where we need to be. Okay, so we can get some sponsorships and get somebody else to pay for this stuff. All right, so I will see y'all in the next video. Have a great and blessed week. Hey y'all, it's 7 p.m. and I'm just now getting this video uploaded. Reason being, I had to uninstall my editing stuff and then reinstall it, and it was driving me nuts. And I'm about to pull my ponytail out, but I hope you enjoyed the video because your girl was stressed about it. So now I'm going to go upstairs and relieve myself of the stress by sewing. So I've been sitting here for a long, long time trying to get this done. Ever since I uploaded the first half of this video. All right, y'all. Bye. Enjoy the rest of your week.